So wait for 2 minutes. Then other students will also come. We will join. Because I have shared the slides, please tell me how many students have joined as yet. Roll number 30. Adams.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have added you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And in the tutorial class, when you have registered?
Sir, on 20th.
20th you have registered.
Yes.
Your section is E, no?
Yes, sir.
So I will add also in the tutorial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Your name is not in the tutorial, no?
Yes, sir. It's not in the tutorial. It's only.
Okay, I will also add to you. No problem. Wait for 1 and 2 minutes. Then we will discuss. And you also consult with the numericals to the other sections, section A, B, C, D. There also numericals has been done by the different teachers. So you have your friends in section A, B, C, D. Please tell me.
Yes, sir, we have friends.
Okay. So you consult the numericals that I have solved in the class, 2-3 numericals related to that one. You also share with your friends that what different type of numericals has been done in other class, and try to, because if you will do different types of numerical in section E and F, B, C, other teachers will do the other different types of numericals. So you will get really lots of numericals. You have to consult it or acquire the knowledge. Okay, so you will get the different types of numericals. If you feel any difficulty, ask with your friends, and after that, if you are not getting clear, then you consult me. When is your end semester examination? First semester last examination?
So we don't know yet.
Sir, we don't have any.
Roughly?
Sir, in March.
Roughly
In March.
end of March.
March,
Probably
25th March.
End of the March. I have shared the slides. So please tell me any student's name that who is responding quickly. Tell me one name. Otherwise, I have to. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Sir Vikas.
Vikas.
Yes, sir.
From where you are?
Sir Ranchi, bypass.
Bypass. What is your mobile number?
766
766
75
75
29
29
793.
793. Okay. If I will, I will give any instructions, then you communicate to all your friends. Okay. Some students have the number. I will keep with you. And tentatively, in this week, I will try to finish this because tomorrow is holiday. So we'll get one class. So in next week, I will try to finish in first and second lecture truss, and then we will move in the Hooke's law of elasticity. It also takes 1 week. So maybe after first week of February, I will take a quiz related to the module 1. Okay. And also I will give you the assignment. 5 problems you have to do the assignment, and you have to submit in the assignment link. And one day I will take a quiz of 20 marks. Okay. 20 questions will be there, and you have to solve. And in the team, I will make in such a way so that you can click the answer, solve the problem, and click the answers, and you will get the marks. So this will be repeated for every module. So keep in this one mind that February first week, after first week, in the second week, I will take the quiz related to the module 1. Okay? So try to finish that one, solve the problems related to it, and we will discuss. Okay, so we are discussing about. Tell me.
Excuse me, sir. So in the
tell me.
induction, it was told that the quiz will be of 10 marks, like after each module.
Okay. What is
10, 10, 50 and
10, 10, 50. But for your safety, I will take the quiz of 20 marks. Okay. And I will make it half. Then you will get benefited. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
If I will take the 10 marks, someone has got 6, 7, then you will become the loser. If I will take 20 marks, then you will get, if I will average it, then it will come 8.5, 9, 9.5. This way it will come. So you will get benefited. So for your safety, I am doing. So I will take the 20 and I will reduce to half. Then it will become 10. Okay, that you leave to me. And assignment also I am giving, just so that in some quiz students has not performed well. So from the assignment also I will add, so that at least he can get a good marks. Okay. So okay, we are discussing about the plane truss, that what we have to do, we have to know about these subjects. So this is a truss that we have discussed about the structure. In a structure, you are keeping the load, and that is an example of the plane truss. Plane means you have to imagine that it is a plane system is there. In a plane, either you imagine that the tabletop or a rooftop, and you have seen in the airport, that is the best example of that one structure. Airport, stadiums, that their structure used to be made from the truss. That will be made by the materials. That materials is able to sustain that one loads. So for that one, and in open space also, you have to keep in this one right, that the climatic situations also changing, wind, air, rain, these types of environmental conditions are coming. So material is able to sustain that one load. Please mute the mic. Some students has unmuted his mic. So please, all students, please keep your mic mute condition. So these are the assumptions. I have also discussed about that one, and also discuss about that one difference between the frame and truss. That in the truss you are seeing that the continuous from the joint continuous systems is there. Okay. So free body diagram also we have discussed. So it is a two forces member, because in a plane, and forces are acting in the bar. That if you are showing that this member in the triangular form, it is arranged. So in the member, that this load will be acted, and in the axial direction, that load will be distributed. So in each member, load and strength, or whatever the load you are applying, that is in the member in the axial direction. And if it is inclined, so resolved into the horizontal direction and the vertical direction, because it is a plane truss. So it is a two-dimensional. So resolution will come in the x component and y component. So these things you keep in your minds. When a roller is roller support, that this structure will be supported somewhere. That either you are seeing the pillar, or that pillar is a support. So if you will keep this structure on some support, so which types of support is there? That structure you are keeping, and in bottom if you are putting the roller, then only vertical reaction will act on that one support, VB. If it is hinged, then horizontal and vertical component of force will act. That A point is hinged, then VA vertical reaction and HA horizontal reaction will act. And in each member, if you are seeing that from point A, C is a member, so whatever the load you have applied on the joint, that stresses has induced in the member in the axial direction. And you are calculating, if you divide by the area of that one, then you will get the load. So from A point if you are seeing, then force PAC will act. And from C point if you are so seeing, then force C to A, then you are writing PCA. So what is your aim of attention to analyze? So both way, PAC and PCA, both forces are the same. So no need to worry. Okay, Vikas?
Yes,
Vikas,
sir.
is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So tensile force in the member means force acts always from the joint. Means suppose that you are assuming, first you will assume that load is acting on this one member, and you are telling that force in the member AC is tensile. Then you will show the force A to C, because from point A you are seeing, so A to C, F1 you write, yeah, PAC you write. So F1 in the tensile direction, means tensile directions means away from the joint. And if after calculation, if you will get the value of positive, then F1 is tensile. If you will get the negative, then it is compressive. Means force will act to the point, outside to the point, inward to the point. Tensile will be away from the point, and compression force will be the towards the point. That you keep in this one mind. If value will come negative, and if your assumption is in the tensile direction and value is coming in negative, then the force will become compressive. So how by the method of joints we will solve the problems? So truss may be considered as a group of two force member connected at their ends by the frictionless pins. Since the entire truss is a rigid body, because it from the materials you are making, either the steel or aluminum or now fiber glass or different types of composites you are making, and the system is in equilibrium. If wind is also flowing, then your structure is in equilibrium. If some rainfall is occurring, your truss system structure is also in equilibrium. It is not moving, not showing any disturbance in the structure. So we are thinking that the system is in equilibrium. So whatever the forces is acting on that one system, summations of all the forces is equal to 0, and moment about any point is also equal to 0. Here we will apply only two conditions, three equations we will get. What equations? Because this is a plane truss is there. So plane means two component of force, horizontal direction, vertical direction. And this is a coplanar non-concurrent force, because you have seen lots of joints. All forces are not meeting at a joint. Different joints is there. A, B, C, D. So some load is acting on different joints, some load is acting at different joint, and reactions is also there. Somewhere hinged, somewhere roller. So we can tell that these force systems on the truss or on the truss force system is coplanar non-concurrent. So when the coplanar non-concurrent force system is there, then summations of all the forces in horizontal direction is equal to 0. Summations of all the forces in the vertical direction is equal to 0. And moment about any point is equal to 0. Because
Yes, sir.
this you have to keep in your mind always. That which three equations we will apply to find the forces in the member. So we will apply these three equations. Summations of all the forces in horizontal direction is equal to 0. Summations of all the forces in vertical direction is equal to 0. And moment about any point is equal to 0. And we will do by each joint, one by one joint. So if we will take at one joint, so on one joint, how much forces is acting? We will break the components in the horizontal and vertical directions, and we will sum it for each joint. Fx is equal to 0, Fy is equal to 0, and for each joint we will do. And after that, we will take a point, and from that point, we will also calculate the moment, what is the value of the moment. Okay? So these are the things
Yes,
in
sir.
this one system. So since the entire truss is a rigid body in equilibrium, each part is also considered to be in equilibrium. The methods of joint, 1 minute. क्या है? क्या चीज के लिए?
डिस्कस करने के लिए क्या मेटल काटने का वो सब बोल रहे
अच्छा, तो आज तक क्लास है, अभी दो क्लास है।
कल है
कल तो छुट्टी है। तुम थर्सडे को मॉर्निंग में 10 बजे आ जाओ।
ठीक है,
ठीक है,
ठीक
और तब करना। ठीक है, ओके। और अनु, उससे दीपांकर से बात करना, ठीक है? उसको सब चीज चला गया है, जितना दिन होगा। हाँ, तो उससे अपना रहना जो जल्दी कराइए। वो वहाँ पता किए प्रोडक्शन में ईडीएम का।
आज परमिशन प्राप्त करना।
हाँ, तो जाओ पता कर लेना, वहाँ सब पता करके रखो। ओके। So the method of joint consists of taking the truss into number of parts, drawing free body diagram for each member and joints, and applying equation of equilibrium for each point. So equilibrium of conditions for each part. And you know that when the coplanar non-concurrent force system is there, and for the equilibrium of this force system, summation Fx is equal to 0, summation Fy is equal to 0, and moment about any point is equal to 0. So truss members are subjected to axial force only. The symbol Pij is used to represent a known force in the member Ij. So Pij is equal to Pgi. Order of subscripts does not make any difference. So also we have discussed about that one. So force that acts away from the member or joint is called the tensile. That also we have discussed, and tensile force tends to increase the length of the member. So equilibrium of joint, each one by one we will take the joint. Equilibrium of joints ensures that summation all the forces is equal to 0 for each point. Positive value of force tensile, negative compression. And you are knowing that for each joint, summation Fx is equal to 0 and summation Fy is equal to 0. One by one we will do. And you are knowing that each joint is connected by 2 or 3 members. So you have to start from that point where the only 3 unknown is there, because you have only 3 equations. For finding the unknown forces in the member, you have only three equations. Which equations? Summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, and the moment about any point is equal to 0. 1 minute. Hello. क्लास में अभी बाद में बात करिएगा 12 बजे के बाद. So, Vikas.
Yes, sir.
So we will start from that joint where only 3 unknown is there, or from the joint 3 members is passing, because you are not knowing the forces in the member. Loads are acting at only the joints, and you have to calculate the forces in the member. So from where from that joint we will start where only 3 member is passing, because if you will assume that 3 member F1, F2, F3 force in the member 1, 2, 3, then what it will happen, that 3 equations you have to find for unknown. Summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, and moment about any point is equal to 0. So 3 unknown is there. So you have to get the 3 equations, and 3 equations is there. Summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, and moment about any point is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So steps in method of joints. Consider entire truss as a rigid body. Find the reaction at the supports. First steps you have to do for solving the problems of the truss by the method of joints. So 2 methods is there for finding out the stresses or forces in the member. So steps you have to apply. So consider entire truss as a rigid body. So first you have to find the reaction at the supports. So how you will get the reactions, how you will find the reaction at the supports? You have 3 equations. Use equation of equilibrium. Summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, and moment about any point is equal to 0. Select a joint such that there are only 2 unknown forces. पहला स्टेप्स वही करिएगा जो so that only 2 unknown force member जहां से पास कर रहा हो, from that joint you select first. So select a joint such that there are only 2 unknown forces and 1 or more known forces act. Assume forces in all member to be tensile and draw FBT.
Pick any of the color.
प्रवीण जी थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे बोलिएगा. So select next joint such that there are only 2 unknown forces available. Okay, you have 3 equations, so select in such a way that only 2 unknown forces you have in the member. Continue steps 3 till the forces in all the members are obtained. After determining all forces in all the member, it is represented in a tabular form. Means in the table form you write serial number, member, amount of force, nature. So first you write member name AB, amount of force 10 kilonewton, and you write compression or tensile. ठीक है? Nature of the force, compression or tensile. This way you have to do. So suppose that this is a problem, that see here, this is the hinged in the ground. Okay, here it is hinged, and this is the roller support. If in the bottom side 2, this one will be roller, so you suppose that this is a roller. And forces are acting at the D point and at the C point. C point inclined force 20 kilonewton is acting, and D point 10 kilonewton force is acting, and member length is given, and height of the C point from this one is also 2.5 is given, 2.25 meter. So first 20 kilonewton is inclined with the vertical direction 30 degree. So resolve it. So when you will resolve the force, one force in the positive x direction and one component will be in the negative direction. So here, this force, and this is the roller support. So reaction force will only one vertical reaction will act here because it is a roller support. I have discussed about that one. And here it is a hinged support is there. So horizontal reactions and vertical reactions will. So this is the free body diagram of the system. So if you talk about 2B points, so you get here that here the force is FAB or BC. You write here F1, F2. You so here
Namaskar,
this
friends.
is the reaction
Welcome.
force is there. So if first you have to find this angle theta. So 3 meter length is given and this is the 2.25. So calculate and you will get the sine theta cos theta. So if this member BC is there, so BC cos theta and BC sine theta, you will get
Zero
whatever the BC
manner.
amount you will get, you
Now-
put, then you will get. So at the B point, you will get summation fx is equal to 0. So what it will come? Minus BD and minus, you are showing in this direction, then also minus BC cos theta. Only these two forces is acting is equal to 0. And the vertical force, this you write reaction RB plus BC sine theta is equal to 0. Is it okay, Vikas?
Yes, sir.
So see
Yes, sir,
next.
can you explain once more last one?
So you have to start from that joint where only two unknown is there. So if you will say see the joint B, C, D, A. So if you will see the joint C, here 3 members is passing. So 3 unknown is there. So leave it that one. If you will see the D point here, 1, 2, 3, 3 member is there. So also you leave it. If you will see the A point, so HABA, AB, AC, AD, so 4 unknown forces is there. But if you will see the B point, here 2 unknown forces is there in the member. Okay, so which is there? FBC and FBD. So from B point 2 member is passing, so starts from there. And we have discussed about that one. First, what you have to do? First, you calculate the reaction at the support. How you will calculate the reactions? Because forces are acting 20 kilonewton inclined with an angle of 30 degree and 10 kilonewton is acting at point G, and you have 2 supports is there, one hinged, one roller. So on the roller support you have shown only vertical reaction, and the hinge horizontal and vertical reactions is there. So first you have to find the reactions. First step is there to find the value of reaction at each support. So here only 2 support is there in the problem, if you will see. So you have to find reaction at B and reaction at A. Because at point A, hinge support is there. So here you will get the vertical component of the force and horizontal component of also force you will get. So first what you will write? Summations of Fx is equal to 0. This we are doing only for calculating the reactions at the support. And how much value of reactions will become? Whatever the force you are applying at each joint. Because members force we are not considering here. if you will analyze in a different way, then also you have to consider the member, because material is either steel or this one. So if 3 meter long is there, it also carries the weights. So here you have not to consider. So member is negligible mass. That in the assumptions we have taken. So what you have to do? First you have to calculate the reactions. So 2 reactions will you get. So you write summations of Fx is equal to 0. So if you will see, HA plus 10 kilonewton is equal to 0. HA plus 10 kilonewton is equal to 0, because in the horizontal direction only 2 forces there. Is it okay? Because
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
20 kilonewton force inclined with 30 degree, we have resolved it. It is coming 17.321 in the vertical directions and 10 kilonewton in the horizontal directions. So, and HA at the hinged point A, one component HA and one component vertical VA. So if you write summations of all the horizontal forces is equal to 0, so HA plus 10 is equal to 0. One equations you have got. So HA is equal to minus 10. Okay, kilonewton. Next you have to do that the vertical component of all the forces is equal to 0. So VA plus VB minus 17.321 and minus 10 is equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay?
Yes, sir.
So VA plus VB
Yes,
is equal to VA plus VB is equal to 17.321 plus 10. You will get one equations. Next you have to do moment about point A is equal to 0. We will calculate the moment about point A is equal to 0. So from A, whatever the load is passing, that will become the 0. Then next you see 10 kilonewton force is acting, and RB is also acting, and 10 kilonewton horizontal is acting, and 17.321 is also acting. So perpendicular distance you have to take, that is the 3 meter. So, and this is the clockwise moment will be created. So if you are taking clockwise positive, then anti-clockwise you take negative. So what will happen? Moment about A is equal to 0. If you will write, then what you will write? 10 into 3 plus 17.321 into 3 plus 10 into 2.25. 10 horizontal and vertical component of the force will become 2.25. So this is also clockwise. Is it okay? Vikas?
So please explain once more.
So please explain once more.
If you will take the moment about point A is equal to 0. So what is the moment? Force into perpendicular distance. So if from point A you are calculating the moment, so AD is the perpendicular distance, and at D point 10 kilonewton force is passing. Okay? So moment value will become AD length into 10 kilonewton force. So 3 into 10. Is it okay? And 17.321 is also passing through this line. So if you will take the moment about A, then perpendicular distance, what it will become? AD. Is it clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here also you will get the moment value 17.321 into AD length, and these two forces creating the clockwise moment. Okay? So
Yes,
you
sir.
are taking the clockwise positive. If you will see the 10 kilonewton horizontal force, so perpendicular distance will become 2.25 meter. So moment about A will become the 10 into 2.25. 10 kilonewton is acting at point C, but its line of actions, if you will see, if you will extend to the left direction and that one direction, and from A, if you will draw the perpendicular distance, then A to that one point will be equal to DC. DC length will become the perpendicular distance for horizontal force 10 kilonewton. Is it okay to you or not?
Yes, sir.
So 10 kilonewton force horizontal component into 2.25 will also give you the clockwise moment. This is also positive. Okay. So whatever the external forces are acting, you have calculated, and one is the reaction force at B. So it is in the positive y direction. So this will create the anti-clockwise moment. So what will become? VB means reaction force at B by the roller. You write RB into 3 plus 3, 6 meter. And this will become the anti-clockwise direction. So minus RB into 6 is equal to 0. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
So from this equation you will get the value of RB. If you will get the RB, then you put in the equation 2, then you will get the VA and HA you have calculated. So you have calculated all the reactions at the support, means support at A point and support at B point. So RB you have also calculated, VA also you have calculated, and HA also you have calculated. So this is the first steps to calculate the first reactions at the joint, reactions at the supports. Then we will move to calculate the force at the joints. See here. So first you have to calculate the reactions. So reactions at A is BHA and BB must be determined. So summation Fx is equal to 0. So HA plus 10 is equal to 0. So HA is equal to minus 10. Summation Fy is equal to 0. So VA plus VB minus 17.32 minus 10 is equal to 0. So VA plus VB is equal to 27.321 kilonewton. And we will calculate the moment about point A is equal to 0. So minus 17, here clockwise had taken negative. So don't worry. So minus 17.32 into 3 minus 10 into 3 minus 10 into 2.25 a plus, because clockwise you have taken negative, so anti-clockwise you take positive. So VV into C is equal to 0. So VV is equal to 9.910 kilonewton. So you put VV in equation 2, then you will get the VA, and HA you have calculated. So you have calculated the reactions value at each supports. Support at B, support at A. You have calculated the value. Vikas, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So see next. Then all the members are assumed to be in tension. All members are assumed to be in tension. So FBC, FBD is in tensile way. So all the forces are acting away from the joints. So you saw it, tensile means away from the point. Then if we will take the joint A, where the joint A joint, you will see the vertical reactions. You have calculated 9.91, horizontal HA 10, and tensile you have assumed. So FAD is tensile and FAC is tensile. So from joint A, only 2 unknown member forces is there. So we can start. Okay, here are known forces FAD and FAC. 2 members are passing from the point A, AD and AC. You have to calculate the forces in the member. Is it clear to you, Vikas?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we will do? First we will start from the joint A, and we will calculate the force of the member in AD and AC. So how we will do? You see. First we will show the point A by a joint, by a point, 10 kilonewton is acting in this one direction, 9.91. And here we have written PAC and PAD because we have assumed tensile. So first you have to calculate, and this is inclined with an angle theta because it is inclined, and here not angle is given, but you can calculate that the member length is 3 and upper is 2.25. So you can calculate from here theta. So CD by AD 2.25 by 3. So theta will become 36.87 degree. So sin theta will become 0.6 and cos theta will become 0.8. So next we will write at the joint A. Summation fx is equal to 0. So minus 10 plus PAC cos theta plus PAD, because PAD in this one direction is equal to 0. And summation Fy is equal to 0. So 9.91 plus PAC sin theta is equal to 0. So two equation is there and two unknown is there. So you will get the value of PAC, PAD. So see here, PAC you are getting minus 16.517 and PAD you are getting 23.214. So PAC will become the compressive and PAD will become tensile. Then next we will move, see here. Then next we will move to the joint D. Why we will move to the joint D? Just successive way you have to move, because you are knowing the forces in the member AD. You have calculated, see here, you have calculated PAD. So you are knowing. And only two unknown is there, PDB and PDC. We cannot go to the joint C because here, or we can go to the joint C also, depends upon you, because here also only two unknown is there. So depends on you. You go at joint C or joint D, depends on you. We have solved. We have from point A, we have moved to the point D. You can also move to the point C, no problem, because PCA you are knowing, or PSC is equal to PCA you are knowing. And at C point only two members are passing which have unknown value. So you can start from also there. So at joint D, see here at joint D, forces in CD and DB are unknown. Draw of DBD you have drawn. Okay. So minus PAD. Okay. You are showing at joint D. At joint D you have shown that forces is tensile in the member AD at joint D. So what is the direction? DA, towards D, DA. So that's why your arrow is such in this way. PCD, PDV and 10 kilonewton force is acting. 10 kilonewton force is acting at this point G. So put all the forces, whatever the external and member force. Then put summation Fx is equal to 0. So minus PAD plus PDV is equal to 0. So PDV is equal to PA. Summation Fy is equal to 0. So PCD minus 10 is equal to 0. So PCD you have calculated. So both member force you have calculated. Next you move to the point B. Where is the point B? You see here point B. Here also two unknown is there. So at point B, show the free body diagram, this force inclination angle theta, and at point B, vertical reactions by the roller support force is also there. So write summation Fx is equal to Jfy is equal to 0. So you will calculate PBC value. PDB you have calculated. Okay. So now forces in all the member have been determined as PAC is equal to this, PAD is equal to this, PCD is equal to this, PBC is equal to this, PC. So correct value of the forces you have shown this way. Okay. Or also you can in the tabular form you make a table, you write serial number, member name, amount of force and nature. So serial number 1 member you have written AB or AC, AD you write this way, and amount 16.517, 23, 10, 23, 29. This way you write. And nature, where negative is there, you write compressive. Where positive is there, write tensile. So compressive, tensile, 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 compressive. This way also you can write. So is it clear to you or not? Tell me. If any students
sir.
have... Huh?
Clear, sir. Understood.
क्लियर है?
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो एक प्रॉब्लम हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं. अच्छा, अब तो 5 ही मिनट बाकी है. रुकिए, देखते हैं इसमें हम प्रॉब्लम लिखे हुए हैं कि नहीं. ये तो मेथड ऑफ सेक्शंस का है. रुकिए, देखते हैं. अगर मेरे पास होगा तो हम दिखाते हैं.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ, बोलिए.
So we'll start the process of finding the forces by first finding the reaction forces.
हाँ.
The hinges, like equating the forces at the hinge, and then
At the hinge and at the roller support, which type of support is there? Have you seen the bridge?
Yes, sir.
If you are passing through any river, you have seen the railway bridge and the road bridge. You have seen.
Yes, sir. One
Pillars
side
is
there.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So see here that A, C, D, C, two unknown four members. So you have to find the forces in the member. Here no roller
use
support
function
is there.
generator
Okay.
in multisim.
So what you will
Without
do,
wasting
you
time,
will start from
let's
the
begin
point
the
C.
session.
First you will calculate the reactions at E and at A.
To start to
Okay,
understand how
because
to use function
it is
generator, first of all, let me
sensitive.
tell you from where you can get the
Okay.
function
Or
generator.
later, first I
On
will
right
show
hand
the
side,
different
you can
types of
find
them.
instrument toolbar. So this second
Excuse me,
instrument is
1
function
minute.
generator. So click it,
1 minute
drag
you
it,
wait.
and
In
place
this
it.
one is I have not
So this is our function generator. Double click it.
calculated.
So the window of function generator will pop up and you will find this much of varieties of inputs to the function generator. So this second instrument is function generator.
It is
So
not
click it,
responding.
drag it and place it.
Responding.
So this is our function generator. Double click it. So the window of
Okay, so in this one file I have the problems. I will show here the sections problem is there and I will discuss. Let's try seeing the problem. If it is here problem is there, then I will show. My computer is slow. No, here problem is not here. Okay, so no, leave it that one. So we will discuss the problem in the last class, next class. Okay, class.
Okay, sir.
Vikas. So
Yes,
what
sir.
you have to do, first when you are solving the problems related to the truss, first you have to find the reactions at the support. First steps.
Of function
First you
generator
have to
will pop up
calculate the
and you
reactions
will
at the
find
support.
this much of
Which
varieties of
type of
inputs to the
support is
function
there?
generator.
You analyze.
Now,
If it is
to
roller,
observe the
vertical
waveform,
force
we
will
will
act.
get
If it is
oscilloscope
hinged,
from the
so
instrument
horizontal
toolbar.
and vertical
So here
component
we have
force
the
of work
oscilloscope.
will act.
We'll just
If
drag
it
it and
is
drop it.
fixed,
If you
then
want to
horizontal,
learn how to
vertical,
use
and also a
oscilloscope
moment
or
will
a 4
act at
channel
that
oscilloscope,
point. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so first step to find this, then you move to the joint where two members unknown forces is there, and then one by one you start, and before selecting the point you see only two members unknown forces is there, and then you resolve it, summations of fx is equal to 0, summations of y is equal to 0, and you will get the value. Okay, tell me if you have any problem here. Then we
No,
will
sir.
solve, next class we will solve the problems, 1-2 problems related to the method of joints. Then next class we will move to the method of sections, and from the method of sections also we will do the 1 or 2 problems. So in the 3 class, minimum 3 class is required to finish the truss chapter. Then we will move for the Hooke's law of elasticity. Okay, no problem. Hello,
Say the dates of the
Yes.
again.
what you are telling?
The quiz का dates क्या होगा?
The second week of February.
Yes sir, thank you.
Because 3 class will be required in the truss, and also 4 class will be required in the Hooke's law of elasticity and relation between the elastic constants. So 4
ये
plus
तो
3,
सब
7
module 1
plus.
में है?
Hello.
हाँ सर. सर ये सब module 1 में आता है ना? ये Hooke's
Hello.
law इसकी module 1 में रहेगा.
मॉड्यूल वन का आप सिलेबस देखिएगा तो सिस्टम ऑफ फोर्सेस वन टॉपिक ट्रस इज देयर, and the relation between the stress strain and relation between the elastic constant, it is there. You can download the syllabus from your website for this subject. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir. It is
Yes, sir.
So shall I close?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.